what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Today is January the 11th, 2021. And if you guys could please give this video a big old fat thumbs up if you appreciate these work at home videos. I will appreciate that a lot, okay? So please give the video a thumbs up if you appreciate these work at home related videos. Now, let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Make sure you sign up to the email newsletter over on the blog. Just come over and enter your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Okay. Enter your email and then click send me new leads. All right. And make sure you come over and join the work at home lounge over here on Facebook. I've been getting a lot of requests lately, so I have been trying to accept people as quickly as I possibly can. I usually accept people within 24 to 48 hours. I try to do them every single day so that I don't get bogged down. So make sure you sign up to the email newsletter and come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. Make sure that your account is not new. I do not accept brand new accounts, you guys. I'm so sorry about that, but I do not. I also don't accept anyone that doesn't have a photo. So if you don't have a picture, I will not accept you. And just answer the 3 questions when prompted. It's not hard at all. Just have a picture. Make sure your account is not new and answer the 3 questions when prompted. All right. If you request to join and you don't see the questions, cancel the request and re-request and answer the 3 questions. All right. Because the requests are automatically denied if you don't answer them. So let's go ahead and get into these jobs. Now, the first position that I'm going to share with you guys is MCI. Now, I shared this over the weekend, which is why it's amazing to be on that email newsletter. Because sometimes on the weekends, I'm not going to come and make a YouTube video about the position. So if you're on the email newsletter, I will send you all of this stuff to your email. Okay. Now, one position that they're hiring for is for the unemployment claims clerk position. Now, from my understanding, this particular position is $16 per hour. Okay. And of course, you're going to be answering phone calls in regards to unemployment compensation, because there are a lot of people, you guys, who are unfortunately still without work because of this pandemic. So it's very unfortunate, and they're getting tons of calls, buttloads of calls. So the money is out there to be made. So definitely run, do not walk, and apply to this one. Now, the great thing about this one is apparently people are getting immediate interviews, okay, with MCI. Now, I've also heard of people not even being required to do an interview. They started their onboarding and now they're working, okay? These are 100% real positions, okay? So definitely run, do not walk, and apply to this position, all right? They're also looking for customer service agents to work from home. Now, they're looking for thousands of people. So don't think that it's just 1 or 2 positions out there. They're looking for thousands of people to support federal, state, and commercial clients. All right. Now, they pay anywhere from $10.10 until $15.15 per hour. But I have been seeing most people saying that they have been getting responses in regards to a position that is $12.50. Okay. I'm not sure which position they will respond to you with, but most of the people who have been getting hired with this position have said that it's $12.50, whatever position it is. All right. So those are MCI, and they're not under today's date, you guys. Remember, I always tell you guys, I repeat this over and over, because I get people who inbox me and say, I don't see the link. It's because they're only looking under today's date. I don't post jobs just for today. So I'm not going to go and repeat the same job over and over again if they're still hiring. So scroll down. These particular jobs are under January the 8th. Okay. So make sure you come over here and you scroll, okay, until you find the position. All you do is look for the company that I mentioned. I mentioned MCI. I mentioned unemployment claims and customer service agents. If you come to January 8th on the blog, you'll see MCI and the title of the position next to it. Okay, so make sure you scroll, you guys. Everything that I say that is on here is on here. Okay, next up is going to be Unum. They are hiring once again for customer service representatives for Starmount. Now, this is an amazing opportunity. Now, this is for life insurance. Okay, and also I think it's illness and injury. Not 1,000% sure. I know it's insurance. Okay. So definitely run, do not walk, and apply to this one as well. If I'm not mistaken, I think they send you all of the equipment for this position. You have to supply your own equipment for MCI. Okay, so definitely make sure that you invest, you guys, in a laptop. Please invest in a laptop, you guys. It is one of the best investments that you will ever make, especially if you are looking to start a work at home career. All right. Next up is going to be BIP Desk Connect. Remember to check the description box. Every single company that I'm talking about is going to be listed in the description box down below. But BIP Desk Connect is currently looking for customer service and sales representatives to support their client home advisor. All right. So you'll be taking phone calls from customers, assisting them with scheduling appointments or referring to pre-screened home improvement contractors. So you will be helping them to find contractors to do their home improvements. Okay. They don't list the pay on here, but I think it's somewhere between $14.50 and $15. I'm not 1,000% sure. Don't quote me on that. Go over to Glassdoor to verify that. They are only hiring in certain states, but they are listed on the application. Their next training class is going to be February the 3rd of 2021, of course. And these will be daily from 10 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure that you're able to attend these trainings, you guys. Please don't get hired. And I understand that things come up. I do. But, just as it would when you're working a job outside of the home, it doesn't look too good if you're asking for time off during training. It's not a good look. So just make sure that you are attending training every single day to, give yourself make yourself look good especially during your training process. All right. Also, Blackboard is still hiring. All right. I'm not sure what date this was posted under, but remember, go over to the blog and scroll down. Okay. Scroll down until you see Blackboard Customer Service Advisors. This is a 100% work at home position. It is $11 and some change, I think. Okay. But they do provide you with all of the equipment that you need to work for this position as well. And remember, you guys, all of this stuff is talked about every single day, all day over there in the Work at Home Job Lounge. Okay. If you have a Facebook page, come over there. I'm telling you, this group is an amazing resource. And I thank the good Lord above for blessing me to be a blessing so that I can create a platform where people can communicate, they can network, and they can just land these amazing work at home jobs. These companies are absolutely amazing. We only share legitimate work at home jobs over there on Facebook. So definitely come over there and join, and tell a friend to tell a friend. All right. And also, you guys, those are not the only positions that are hiring. There are tons. Walgreens is looking for call center agents to work from home. Okay. They're also looking for pharmacy techs to help them administer these COVID-19 vaccines. But you do not have to live in the location that they have listed on here. This is a 100% work at home position. Okay. They're looking for store care call center specialists. And there's also another position that they're hiring for. I might have posted that a couple of days ago. Yes, the Balance Rewards call center specialist position. Okay. I'm not sure if that one is still open. It is. So definitely run, do not walk, and apply to these guys. Like I said, under today's date are several of the ones that I mentioned. And also Kelly Connect. They just opened back up their technical support rep position. Now this is for second shift. So you need to be able to work from 1 p.m. until 1 a.m. It is $13.50 during training, and after training, it increases to $15. They provide all of your equipment, okay? And they also 100% train you. So again, don't think that you have to, be this super techie person, because you don't. Because trust me, most of the people who apply to these positions don't have any technical experience, okay? But they do 100% train you. And that is Kelly Connect, and that is listed under today's date. So again, come over here and scroll, you guys. VIP Desk Connect also has a technical support position. The Hartford has a call center service rep position. All right. Maximus, that's another one that I wanted to tell you guys about. If you were on the email newsletter, you actually got that email. They were looking for COVID-19 vaccination customer service reps to work from home. All you would have been doing is answering phone calls from people who are calling in wanting to schedule a time for them to receive the vaccine. That was $16 per hour. I know 3 people who said that they actually got on with this position, and they said it's one of the easiest positions that they have ever done. Training was only 1 day. Okay. Apparently it's very, very easy. So make sure you sign up to the email newsletter, you guys. It is 100% free. It doesn't cost you a dime, and I do not spam your email. I only send you legitimate work at home leads, okay? Again, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button if you appreciate these work at home jobs. Sign up to this email newsletter and make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge over here on Facebook, you guys. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.